In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for nonprofit project management. We'll walk through setting up a simple project using a template, then looking at your tasks and visualizing them on a timeline so you can keep your nonprofit's work organized and on track. Start by heading to your Monday.com account and landing on the home or main workspace area. From here, you'll typically see options to create a new board. Look for the option that lets you start something new and choose the option to start with a template. Using a template is especially helpful for nonprofits because it gives you a ready-made structure so you don't have to build everything from scratch. When the Template Center opens, use the search bar and type in the keyword that matches the kind of project you're running. In this example, we're using a nonprofit-focused project template. Once the relevant template appears, click on it to open the details. Here you'll see a short explanation of how the template is structured and what kinds of columns and views it includes. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on that template inside your workspace. After the board is created, click into it. You'll see a list of example tasks that come preloaded, such as research, speak with legal, monthly sync, kickoff meeting, and finalize goals. Go ahead and click on each of these example items one by one. This lets you see how each task is broken down with fields like owner, status, due date, and any notes. A useful tip here is to edit these example items to match your own nonprofit activities instead of deleting them right away. Replace the task names, adjust the dates, and assign them to real team members so you can quickly adapt the template to your current project. Once you're familiar with the tasks, move up to the top of the board and click on the Gantt view. The Gantt chart gives you a timeline of your project so you can see when tasks start and end and how they overlap. This is great for planning campaigns, events, or grant-related work where timing really matters. Inside the Gantt view, you can click on different highlighted areas to adjust dates or expand details. You'll also see status labels like "Working on it." Click on these status fields to update progress as your team moves tasks forward. Changing a task to "Working on it" helps everyone quickly understand what's in progress without reading every detail. By following these steps, you'll have a functional Monday.com board tailored to your nonprofit project, complete with clear tasks, owners, statuses, and a visual timeline to keep everything aligned.